PBA pa lang talaga niruruto na ako yung Mark Karen. Ngayon naman, High Flags.
Maraming salamat po. At syempre sa ating cast na nandito ngayon, Tubuay and Direct. And sa lahat, each and every one of you, alam ko po yung iba hindi galing sa malapit na lugar. Baka sumakay pa ng eroplano. Pero from thank you sa siyempre co-cast ko na grabe, nilalabas din talaga nila lahat ng best nila for this book. And also sa mga bosses, kina Miss Nis, Miss Ems, sa lahat na kay Miss Jose, sa lahat na nag-effort. Sabi nga ni Bea, etong success na to, madami kami dito, buong team talaga. So, ayun, and this might be the end for G-Sot, but just a start for Wilbea. Next project! May sinasabi sila. Maganda ba? Akala ko nasa 4D tayo, may daming pero thank you. Sobrang salamat. Hindi ko na-acknowledge kanina pero parang dapat, sobrang dapat din silang pasalamatan. Yung creative team natin, yung writers, at the same time, yung post, yung editors, and yung mga nagsuscore ng music, yung nagko-color grade, ayan, gusto ko rin pong pasalamatan. And ayun, alam namin na importante sa inyo ang University Series. Alam namin na na-touch kayo ng G-Sot one way or another. And I hope that kami ni Wilbert and the whole Univercada and the whole team, we were able to give color and we were able to kumbaga nasamahan din namin kayo at nabigyan namin ng magandang meaning at ng magandang journey yung panonood nyo ng adaptation. I hope it's worth it and maraming salamat and I really hope that at tingnan nyo ang daming oso na sana alam kong nakagain kayo ng ibang mga kaibigan, family, that outside of the University Series, outside of Wilbea, outside of fangirling, I really hope that you were able to find your pahinga, your family through us. And I really hope that this will not be the end. Marami pa tayong pagsasamahan. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal ninyo. We really appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. maraming salamat. To the Del Rosarios, they may not be here, but I really wanna extend my gratitude to Mr. Renique, Boss Val, Boss Vincent, Boss Verb, and of course to Boss Lake. Thank you for giving us the chance to be there via and Arkin.